Hello, welcome to Cajun Cuisines. Today we're making fried Cajun salmon and grits. So first we're going to start with our batter for our salmon. You want to go ahead and add 2 eggs, then add some hot sauce and whisk that together. Now we're going to add some heavy cream to make a thick batter. Give that a quick whisk. Next, we're going to season our flour with some garlic powder, Spanish Sazon seasoning, which is optional, and also some onion powder. Mix that up together very well. It will get a little messy. I don't mind a mess. Now, in some boiling water, we're going to go ahead and add our grits and whisk that together. And you can just follow the grits instructions. We're going to take our clean salmon, shake it up with some flour. Shake off the excess flour, then add it to our egg batter. Put it back in our flour, shake that up again. So simple. I love it. We're going to repeat the same process with our salmon. If you're using more salmon, then that's fine as well. Just go ahead and continue to do the same thing. Now, once we're done with these two, we're going to go ahead and preheat our grease for 350. Drop those in once it's hot. And we're going to fry for about 6 to 7 minutes. Now with our grits, go ahead and mix that together. You want it to be fully cooked before adding the other ingredients. Okay, so now after we whisk that together very well, we're going to add some heavy cream. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of butter. I use light balanced butter, but you can use any butter you'd like. Now, if it's salted butter, don't add any more salt. Season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. And last but not least, we're going to drizzle in some mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, you can use the cheese that you like, but trust me, that mozzarella will get it right. Now, once everything is added, go ahead and mix that all together until it's fully creamy and absorbed in. Put your stove on low, cover it with a lid, and continue on with the next step. In a preheated pan, go ahead and add some heavy cream. We're going to go ahead and make our Cajun sauce. Okay, so now I'm just showing you how it looks once the fish is done. Okay, back to our sauce. We're going to season it. I mainly use several powders. I don't use too much of salt-based seasonings. So I will have that listed at the bottom. We're going to add some mild cheddar cheese. I also added, it's optional to add some Sazon seasoning just for more of an orange color. We're going to whisk that together. Now my stove is on a medium-low heat. You don't want to burn your cream sauce. And just keep mixing until it's fully incorporated. Let it sit for about 1 minute, then go back and mix it in again. Cut your stove off and prepare your meal, your grits, your sauce, and your salmon. Enjoy.